Hey guys, we received this Drain Snake 18 set for test and try. So this is a great set which have a multiple clog remover or the brush thing that comes with it. So it can solve a lot of issues that you have with the drain or the cleaning stuff. As you can see it on the box as well. So there is a drain clog remover. That's one piece and 30-inch steel hair snake, three pieces, 30-inch pet sink snake, 3 pieces, 59-inch tube drain brush, 2 pieces, and 17-inch dryer vent cleaner brush, that is 1 piece, and the straw cleaner brush, so 8 piece. So they are the total one, and the quality wise, as you can see, is have this flexible neck and also this plunge stopper thing. So that's really helpful in linking up the stuff. And this is the curing set of the multiple brushes to clean up your small things. So this have like the hard brush, small brush, and the other brushes as well. So this keyring brush set have like almost everything. Say like if you want to clean up the small opening or the straw or the key or the bottle, you can easily use this brushes set or the cleaning thing. So the round handle, this is like the dryer vent cleaner or the dryer cleaner where you can use this as a stretch and then put it in the dryer to clean. So these have other flexible tube snake for the drain just to catch up the hair or anything with this reinforced stuff in here. These are the plastic sink snake. So you can just put it in the snake with this round head worm and then the snaky thing in the corner here. So that will you can just rotate it and it will catch up the hair and comes up. And these are the cleaner like the brush cleaner 59-inch the two pieces one. So this have a flexible neck or it can be used in any other purpose. So say like if it's a straw or something like long enough, you can do and this have this flexible neck that's easy to do as well. So you're going to use this brush multiple purposes or the multiple occasion you can use this and this is the set will almost like cover a lot of stick and the metal stuff nice quality.